Welcome, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a blog post on Squarespace. This is a continuation of the series where I showed you how to start a blog on Squarespace, how to change all of the blog settings and change the colors and the fonts. Now we are actually adding your particular blog posts to Squarespace. So you're going to be in the back end of your Squarespace website. You're going to see there's the home menu here. We're going to click on pages and we're going to click on blog to navigate to your blog page. Now, if you haven't already done so, you're going to delete the filler blog posts that are here. You can either delete them or you can go in and just write over them, but the dates are all going to be off, so I would choose to just delete them. So how you do that is you can see that once we've selected one blog post, these checkboxes show up. You can either click on select all or just manually check these boxes here. And then once you've selected more than one, you can just click on delete. And it will say delete for selected blog post, and you say yes, delete. So now we have no blog post, and you'll see here that we have no blog page with the previews because there are none. So now we are going to go ahead and add a new blog post by clicking on, and it says right here, click plus to add a post. We're going to click this plus, and it has created a draft blog post for us where it says enter a post title. That's what you're going to do here. And then where it says right here, you're going to click on it and you're going to start writing your content. Now, just like any other page on Squarespace, you can insert other types of content blocks within a blog post. You just can't add new sections, but you can add other blocks. So anytime you're down below here where your written content is, if you hover over an area, you're going to see blue plus signs above or below your content. You can go ahead and click on that and you're going to see that you can add, so many of the different awesome content blocks that Squarespace allows you to add in here, from images to videos, lines, anything you need to. I like to insert, for instance, summary blocks at the bottom of my blog post where it will then say, other blog posts you might be interested in or other blogs, and it will show some of my other blog posts that they can easily click to when they're at the bottom, because if they've read one blog post, they're probably interested in other content that you've written. So I like to add different things in my blogs after I'm done writing all of it. Now, once you've gone in and you've added all of your content, always make sure to click on done. Normally it would be done and save. Now, when you click done and save for a blog post that is in draft form, it will then continue to keep it in a draft form. That means that you can see it in the back end, you can make changes in the back end of your Squarespace site, but anyone else viewing your Squarespace site from the front end cannot see that blog post yet. So you need to make sure that you publish it. We can do that by clicking to whatever blog post is a draft, click on edit. You can then go ahead and make your changes if you need to make any, or you can just go ahead and click on publish. That will publish it immediately. If you want it to schedule it for the future, you can click on schedule as well and schedule it for any time in the future, including the date and the time when it's going to go live. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this and exit mode. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in, let's say, 2 other blog posts. So excuse me while I go and do that. All right, so once we've published more than one, you're going to see that it's going to show our blog posts over here. You can either access them by the left-hand menu, or you can actually click on the titles for each independent blog post and it will bring it up in here. If you even have a blog post that has already been published, you can continue to make changes to it, like when you want to update it or make any changes to links, etc. You can always just click on it and click on edit, and then go in and edit the content just like when you did when you created it, and then click on done and save when you're done, and it will make changes instantaneously to the front-facing website that all of your visitors are accessing. That's it for this quick video. In the next one, which is linked up below here or in the blog post, just keep scrolling. I'm going to show you how to add categories in Squarespace.